What's up guys, Faisal here. We are back again with some latest Samsung news and today we got something that most Galaxy users won't like from Samsung. Samsung is in our crushes this week as rumors have surfaced that next year Galaxy S23 will be a minor upgrade at best. Given that this comes during a year when it already feels as if Samsung is resting on its model. It's hardly the news that any Samsung fan wants to hear right now. Samsung commands an impressive chunk of the industry, but the company finds itself at something of a creative impasse with its latest devices feeling incredibly similar to last year models. The Galaxy S22, Galaxy Z34 and Galaxy Watch 5. While impressive devices in their own right only represent the most mirror of upgrades over their predecessors. Unfortunately, it seems as though this trend is likely to continue into 2023 as a new round of rumors suggest that the Galaxy S23 is a modest upgrade at best. Notable Twitter leaker Ice stalked these complacency rumors by revealing that for the S23 and S23 Plus, they have the same design as the S22. Even the middle frame has not changed, the same screen, the same sensor, the same camera, and the battery is estimated to be similar. Processor upgrade to 8 Gen 2 a few weeks before Samsung introduced its foldable devices including the new Galaxy C4 and G Flip 4. Both of these devices are powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. After the launch of these devices, the upcoming Samsung flagship device would be the S series successor. A couple of weeks ago, Ice reported that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra design will remain basically the same and that the dimensions will differ by a fraction of a millimeter. Now, the Leakstar has published more detailed data, including the screen size, resolution, and dimensions of the entire S23 family. Long story short, the display diagonal and resolution for all three models remain the same. While the height and width will grow by a few tenths of a millimeter, there is no word on weight, but it should be mostly the same as on this year's S series. If you are hoping that the Galaxy S23 and this S23 Plus displays will finally go back to Quad HD Plus resolution as they were in the S20 generation, Ice report makes it unlikely. Will they at least switch LTPO panel? That we don't know yet. One major change for the S23 generation is that it will use exclusively Snapdragon chipset. Analysts have been saying it for a while and Qualcomm itself strongly hinted at the change. It was also previously revealed that Samsung might ditch the use of the Exynos chipset due to the new partnership program with Qualcomm. The Galaxy Z4 is the smoothest Samsung smartphone, according to several users. However, this source claimed that Samsung market share would significantly decline if Chinese companies enter the global foldable device market. Therefore, if the Galaxy S23 Ultra works well with animation and details, it's possible that the business will turn to its best phase. In addition to the features we already know about, one of its key draws may be its CPU. According to speculations, it will include a 3nm chip with the code name Exynos Quadra and will continue to employ the AMD N2 architectures. In addition to a 200-megapixel camera, a 3D fingerprint reader, a flat or almost flat screen. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will resemble the S22 Ultra. This is in terms of size, screen, and design, with a few unipotent enhancements with a redesigned S Pen slot and other improvements over the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The premium Samsung S23 series might actually be a wonderful upgrade. What do you think of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S23 series then? Will Samsung be able to compete high-end Android market at the rate that the news reveal are moving? Please share your opinion in the comment section and I will talk to you all again in a future post.